Hi, this is Rob the Frugalist, and this is how to change the windscreen wipers on your car. Should be quite easy, but sometimes can be fiddly. So for this example, I'm using a Seat Alhambra 2017 year, so that'll do similar for 2015 onwards, but also probably for the Volkswagen Charan, it'll probably be the same. So we're going to do the front wipers and also the rear wiper here. Interestingly, the front wipers are different sizes. Driver side's larger and passenger side's a lot smaller. So do check before you buy your wipers that they will actually work for your car. Amazon's got a pretty good technique for this, but should be fairly straightforward. But bear in mind, not all wipers are the same. So for this one, I'm using the Bosch Aero Twin wipers. Cheapest I could find it was Amazon. So this is the A558S for the fronts, and for the rear it's the A331H, and I'm just going to go and do it. Hopefully show you how. You could probably get away with just changing the wipers. However, most cars have a windscreen wiper surface position, so I'm going to try that now, which is, I'm going to read the instructions and find out. It says here, the wiper arms can be raised when the wipers are in surface position, figure 77. So always read the manual. Close the bonnet, it's not open. Switch the ignition on and off, press the windscreen wiper lever down forwards briefly. So let's try that. Have the keys in first. So turn it on and off quickly, and then there we go. There they are in the surface position. That's how to do it. Right, so this one's fairly straightforward. There's a button here you need to push in. So push this back in and it needs to slide upwards. What you will find with this one is it will probably just unclip like that. But this still needs to come up like that. See that it's pulled upwards. And the new one, Bosch one, just slides back down in and should just, if I get the hang of it right, clip in. Push that button in. There we go. That one's done. So that is job done there. This one is similar. So you've got the button here. Push that button up and lift it up. It's come out again. Don't allow this to touch the screen because it's not protected. Here's the new one. That just clips in. That's it, just clips in. You just got to fiddle with it a little bit. You will get it in eventually. Right, 2 done. Excellent. So these can be chucked, and we're going to do the rear one now, which should be even easier. Right, rear one, a bit smaller, a bit easier, so you would think, and you would think right, because this simply just pulls out. You push that button in, give it a yank, and this one can go straight in. There you go, job done. How to do your windscreen wipers in about, what, 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes. Please like and subscribe if you thought it was any good, and we'll see you soon for more videos of a similar nature. Bye bye.